What's going on, guys? CubanSRT back with another video, man. As you can see, man, I don't just got the Hellcat now. We got the Scatpack. You already know, man. I'm not gonna be making these videos talking about, how much does this cost, blah blah blah, without actually pulling up a Scatpack. Hey, shout out to my boy D'Angelo, Finest Exotic Rentals. If you in Fayetteville, man, you already know, you got yourself a Scatpack, you got yourself a Mercedes, the Mustang not here, you got a Kia. So you already know, man, you got the lineup to choose from, man. So we got the Scatpack we're gonna be doing the video on. You guys already know if you've been with the channel for a while, I had a Scatpack wide body, then crashed, sold it. Long story short, we got the Hellcat now. But I know it's a lot of people that are like, how much does Scatpack cost monthly? How much is gonna cost me to get in a Scatpack, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, man, I'm all transparent stuff. So we got the skinny body Scatpack. So let's go over the car real quick. So they got the black hood. What color gray is this? This is the smoke show? Smoke show gray, you already know, smoke show gray, man. You got the nice leather on the outside seats. I forgot what's the actual spec of this called, Jason? Alcantara suede, you already know, man. So it's a nice spec. I really like the smoke show gray, bro. If I could get this in a wide body, I would. And you already know, man, you got the Brembo brakes, man. Them things be saving lives. They should give that thing like a donation for how many lives it saves. So you already know, man. I'm getting the wicker bill soon. None of these got a wicker bill, but that wicker bill coming soon. You already know. I'm about to add some mods to it. You got the louvers already here. If you guys be running from the cops, you know this. Don't put the louvers on, man. It's gonna. You gonna do the dash, don't put the louvers on. You're gonna be looking back like, where the cop at? But now the louvers do make it look very nice though, I would say for sure. Got the sunroof. I feel bad, I should have put the sunroof in my Hellcat. That was a stupid option. Why did I not get the sunroof? I was like, oh, I want to get the stars in it. Next thing I know, I see an Instagram video, some dude put the stars with a sunroof. I'm like, bro, what in the world? So just goes to show you, knowledge, not having the knowledge ends up costing you money. Well, I mean, it would have cost me money to get the sunroof, but now I gotta pay more to install it and everything. So we got the wide body. I don't know who that is, but yeah, man. So this is the car and everything. So we're just gonna go over payments. So if you're curious to know how much it's gonna cost you, so a Scatpack, let's base it off good credit. If you got good credit, you could probably get this thing for about $650 to $700 a month, no cap. Like I said, if you got good credit, you can also get this with no down payment. So if you're in that boat, this will be a great purchase in that price range. If you're in the lower end of the credit and you don't have a car history like that, don't have proof of income for past cars, things like that, you're probably gonna be around 800, 900, maybe even 1,000. On average, like I said, it can be anywhere between 650 and 900. The most on average. So you already know, man. So in my situation, I had the wide body Scat and everything, and my payments was around $820. That was almost a year ago actually, but yeah, I think it was like $820, $829, something like that for the wide body Scat. This wide body Scat was like $56,000. So like I said, within $56,000, you're gonna be looking at that price range anywhere between $700 to $1,000, depending on your credit score. I got my nose pulled up, so I'm trying to help you guys out. So what I did wrong when I got that Scat, I put too much money down. They asked for like $4,000, so I didn't know about credit like I do now. So basically, if I would have gone to a credit unions, they gotta offer the competitive rates, right, to fight the big banks. So when you go to the credit union, you show them your income. As soon as they see you making good income, they pre-approve you. So once you get pre-approved, you go straight up to the dealer. You don't gotta ask them to run credit or nothing. You go straight to the dealer with that check. Boom, give me my Scat, walk out the door. Now, what I didn't do, I went to the dealership, I got my credit ran like 10, 15 different times. So each time they run your credit, your score's going down by the minute. So as soon as some bank approves you, they're gonna be like, oh, this is your credit score, blah, blah, blah. We don't like your history, blah, blah, blah. And they're like, oh, give us $4,000, $5,000 down. So if you wanna avoid that, keep the money in your pocket to do some mods or something like that, or have some fun on the side. Don't be putting $4,000 down or $5,000 down on a Scat if you don't need to, right? If you got a 750 credit score but you don't know how to use it, you're doing it wrong. Like I said, go to the credit union and get yourself hooked up. So that's what I would do. That's what I would do if I could go back in time. So now we're gonna sum up like we did in the Hellcat video, the monthly car note, gas, insurance, everything. So monthly car note was what, $829, something like that. I'm just giving you what I did so you guys can kind of see. So $829 for the Scat. On gas, I was probably spending like $250, $300. So that's already $1,129. Insurance, I only paid $60 because I'm on a family plan. So $60 for the insurance. If you don't got like a family plan, you're probably paying like $200, $250 for the insurance. And then obviously mods and stuff, I'm not gonna count that because that's not a monthly expense. That's like a one-time expense. So you're looking at about $1,189 as far as what I paid, but that can obviously vary. $1,189, guys. So like I said, if you're looking to get into a Scat, that's gonna be around the price you're gonna be paying. Skinny bodies, I don't know what skinny bodies are going for, but the dealers are marking up like crazy. Like they used to be going for like 40 something, now they're going for like 60. So it's ridiculous, bro. I'm squinting right now. Look, you know, Chinese, Asian, because the sun is bright as hell. But you already know, man, like if you're trying to get into a Scat and you don't like the payments, maybe look at other dealers, try to find the best deal. It's all about finding the best deal. If you fall in love with the car, don't fall in love with the car, because another dealer's probably gonna have a similar car with a better price, better interest rate and everything. So like I said, guys, that's about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, like, comment, subscribe. You already know, man. Tune in for more.